Where were we when the coming of the rain made us turn from conversation to the window? In mustard fields, maybe, or the love jungle. And as we talked, we were with others, not ourselves. I was thinking of old birthdays and holidays gone wrong. Pretty people seen on streetcars, but never met. Selling soda bottles to pay for movie matinees. I was 12. So many things I thought about. Parties and high school plays. Hallways full of lovers not yet met. The mind is such a junkyard. It remembers candy bars, Frank Sinatra's middle name, but not the Gettysburg Address, or the day your best friend died. Within your mind, if there is some corner not yet occupied with numbers you may never need, remind your memory of the day we turned to watch the rain, and turning back, forgot that we belong to one another.
It's raining, and the children splashing in the mud, and the old men darting in the doorways, and the lovers underneath umbrellas don't seem to mind. It's raining. See the leaves go flying past the window. We can stay inside and just do nothing. Wouldn't it be nice to touch each other gently, gently? It's raining like the tears of angels down the window. If we wait, there's sure to be a rainbow. I'm here now, don't be afraid of thunder anymore. It's raining. I can't hear the crickets any longer. Do you suppose they're drowning in the gutters? I don't think you love me anymore.